Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have MATIC Network Polygon daily update and we will discuss everything. If we have a buying opportunity for the short term, for the mid or the long term, where are we going, and of course major resistance and support levels. If you like the content, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share. Thank you for the support, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. I have the link in the description down below for the Telegram group chat, guys. We discuss many more. We are a community that grows every day. We are a team. Okay, so if you like, join the Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. Let's see. I have two price labels here, the 1.49, 1.38. How did I find them? The first one, 1.38, is a support level. So what I have to do is that I draw the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom right here, guys, to this top 26th May. Alright, so I found the 1.38, which is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, a very strong support level. The next one is the 1.50 around there USDT. How did I find that? I went drawing the Fibonacci retracement starting from this top, guys, ending on 23rd May as well. So here I found this Fibonacci retracement level, the 0.382, which is a major resistance level here. So as long as we go upwards, we will be finding many more resistance levels, but for now we are having these two. A very important support level is the 1.38, guys, and we will see if this is the key here for MATIC to go upwards from now on, if we have a buying opportunity for the long term as well. So let's go now to the MACD, guys. The MACD that I didn't like is that we approached and we went down from this bottom. Nothing much to say now. We are going a little bit downwards. For now, if we want to have, guys, any chances at all to stay above, we need to stay above the support line. If we go down, then we are falling down all the way. Alright, so we need to be making higher lows and higher highs. But unfortunately, going up beyond here, beyond this blue line, seems like we lost this momentum we wanted. We lost this higher high and higher low pattern that we want to follow. Okay, so let's go to MATIC against USDT. You can see here the 4-hour frame. That's why we are going upwards, guys. We were in an oversold situation. Now we are going to have a swing high. The thing is, how much more can we grow? Okay, same here for the RSI. That's how we found this bottom, because the commodity channel index was way beyond minus 100, and so the RSI couldn't move near the 30 or below the 30. So according to the commodity channel index, guys, we had a buying opportunity for the next in the next few hours, guys. And of course, you could swing trade as long as the commodity channel index is below minus 100. We can swing trade, but Bitcoin has to be below minus 100 as well. If there is an overbought situation on Bitcoin and you have an oversold situation here, the problem is that Bitcoin might crash and you might fall down more. So you always have to compare it with Bitcoin now that we are on a bearish market, but not on a bearish cycle. Okay, according to the SL channel, the red line is above the green line. We don't have a buying opportunity at all. Let's go to MATIC against USDT in the daily frame. I will be quick on these, guys. We are not approaching the bottom line of the Bollinger bands, therefore we don't have a clear buying opportunity. We are not approaching the top line, of course, therefore we don't have a selling opportunity. This would be awkward if we had a selling opportunity here. You can see the RSI is between 30 and 70 inside this purple area. We can correct more, we can grow more. The point is here what the market will decide. Okay, and the commodity channel index, guys, you can see that we are near the 100. We are not near the minus 100. We are not near the bottom, guys, but we are approaching the bottom. Okay, we are approaching the minus 100. Therefore, we might have a buying opportunity later on for the midterm. But for now, the MACD is dropping down. This is the worst case, guys, that we saw back on the MACD for MATIC. We dropped down all the way. What we were hoping for is to hold at least the support level, but now we build some further distance to the downwards. But the more we go downwards, the better the buying opportunities, right? So we are going now to MATIC against Bitcoin. I did the same as before, guys. I drew one Fibonacci retracement level up to this top to 23rd May to this bottom right here, guys, and of course one more from this bottom to this top. I want to find major support levels. So here we are, we keep the 0.5 for MATIC against Bitcoin. We now hope to go above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement resistance line. We hope to go above the 0.4045. Let's just delete all of this, okay? Let's just delete all of this, and we want to draw the gun fan tool, the gun fan that will tell us what is the bottom trend line for now, okay? And how you do it? First of all, you lock the price to bar ratio, okay? So you want to lock the price to bar ratio, and I want to draw a trend angle starting from this bottom right here, guys, starting from this bottom around there. Let's draw it 45-degree angle. So here we are, and we want to draw the gun fan tool starting from the bottom. The 1-1 line has to collide perfectly with a 45-degree angle, okay? So the bottom trend line that we were before is this, right? Is this one right here, okay? But now we fell a little bit down, so we might go to this bottom trend line. So for now, because we just closed beyond, we might have this bottom trend line for the moment being. So we might just have this bottom trend line, we might fall down even further for MATIC against Bitcoin. As we can see the commodity channel index, guys, we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. Same for the RSI, we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation at all, okay? If we surpass though, if we surpassed before the gun fan, let me reuse now the gun fans, guys, and if we surpass the previous line right here, if we go above, then we can find our way back. But this is, I believe this is a little bit risky. I believe this will be our next bottom trend line for MATIC against Bitcoin, right? So you are finding bottom trend lines with gun fan. It's an amazing tool, guys, and I will use it more on my videos from now on. Let's go to MATIC against Bitcoin, the daily frame. You can see that on the daily frame we are absolutely fine. We are still fine. The MACD doesn't look fine, but it's all good as long as we maintain the 20-day MA above the 50-day MA. We are set to go. On the weekly frame, we are having such a high risk. You can see that the risk is so high that we need to be careful, guys. Be careful on the weekly frame. Although we just want to go upwards, we might correct a little bit. The MACD is still fine. However, we can't keep going all the way upwards for more, okay? But we hope for another push up for MATIC against Bitcoin before we go down, before we are going more down, okay? But for now, guys, on the daily frame, it is looking good. It is actually looking very, very good. Let's go, guys, to MATIC against USDT for the price analysis. And what are we having here? The resistance lines, the major resistance lines are the 1.50 now, the 1.72, 1.38 is our major support level. What happens next? First of all, guys, I want to get on to the point. I told you if we have a buying opportunity on the long term. Yes, for the long term, we are having now, right now, a buying opportunity. Okay, so if you are a long-term hodler, you can hold MATIC here. But the point is, if for the short term we are having a buying opportunity, all right? What is the short-term price analysis? We are going now to the Bitcoin. We lost some huge momentum here for the swing high. I believe, guys, that now we will be approaching the 26,000 USDT to 28,000 USDT, the prices that I always talked about for Bitcoin. So the bottom was not here for me, but okay, guys, I might be wrong. I hope I am totally wrong, because if we go down there, then for MATIC this is not the bottom, right? We can go further down in the short term. Let's see how we lost the momentum. First of all, guys, how did I find that 27,000 USDT is a major support level? Because I've drawn my Fibonacci retracement all the way back, guys, from around December 2018 up to this moment right now. I want to find important support levels as we go down, and you can see that we were holding tightly the 34,000 USDT. Now that we closed beyond, I am not so sure how we can go upwards. Okay, even now that we are in an oversold situation on the daily frame, you can see, yes, we will have a swing high. I believe we will have a swing high. The point is here that we might just be approaching the 20-day MA again and then collapse down. Okay, for the daily frame. On the 4-hour frame, guys, how we could know that we are losing our momentum. Okay, let's go to the gun funds. Let's lock the price, guys, but price to bar ratio, and of course let's draw a trend angle here to see how we were down all the way. 45-degree angle we want to draw right here, and we draw afterwards on gun fund tool. The 1-1 line has to collide perfectly with a 45-degree angle, and you can see here from the moment we lost this bottom trend line, guys. From the moment we lost this bottom trend line, we knew that we are going downwards. Now we have gone further down from 8-1 line, okay, a little bit further down. We will see if we can climb back up. I believe we can climb back up because, guys, why I believe that? It is because on the 4-hour frame you can see the Bitcoin is below minus 100, on the RSI it is below 30, on the daily frame we are having an oversold situation as well. Yes, we are going upwards. The point here is if we will be going upwards much more than the 20-day EMA, I believe we can't. We will see about that though, and of course according to all of this information we are now to decide whether we should buy MATIC for the short term. I believe this is not a great time to invest right now because there is a lot of FUD in the market. The technical analysis, guys, tells us that we might correct more for Bitcoin even if we have a swing high here. I'm just telling you that we will have a swing high here. We might just be able to just surpass the 1.50, even go to 1.69. Okay, 1.60, sorry. But the point is here, how much more can we grow for now? Because for now, we might have a swing high here, but the swing high probability that we were seeing going above, guys, going above the 41,000 USDT to 42,000 USDT is just now decreases. The possibility now is decreasing, and of course we wanted to see the 42,000 USDT. However, now that we went beyond the 34,000 USDT, it is a little bit risky to invest right now in MATIC, that it is correlated so strongly with Bitcoin as well. So yes, if you want a swing trade, we will go upwards more, but for now, for the short midterm, guys, for the next days, you should be a little bit careful. 1.38 though is a strong support level. If you see that we hold this level multiple times here, the 0.618, this means, guys, that we might have approached the bottom for MATIC, because this is a very, very strong support level. Once we lose this, then we are going further down, okay? But for now, 1.38 is a very strong support level. We might be approaching the 0.786, 0.236 afterwards, but for now we are good. But the point is here that it is too risky to invest right now. So in my opinion, guys, not a financial advice, just wait a little bit. For the long term, we are totally fine. All right, we are totally fine. And let's draw to see how far we can go upwards. If we can go upwards, we have the 1.50 as a resistance level. As I told you guys, we have the 1.58 and we have the 1.72, our major resistance line here that we couldn't surpass. We had a momentum going upwards, but we couldn't surpass the 1.72. Let's use the gun fund for one last time, guys, to see a potential top trend line. For now, a potential top trend line. I will delete all of this. I will use gun fund from this moment here. I will lock the price to bar ratio. I will use the gun fund from 45-degree gun fund from this top right here, guys, and 45 degrees. There you go. And now we will be using the gun fund tool from this top, guys, to the bottom to find resistance levels. Okay, so here we are. The resistance line was this, and you can see how perfectly smoothly we went onto this resistance line. However, from the moment that we might surpass this, we are absolutely good. But now this is a resistance line, a downtrend, a resistance line. So therefore, the higher we can go right here, if we have a swing high, is around 1.56, around there guys, 1.56, 1.57, and the longer we go, the longer we tend to go above, the less it will be. All right, so I told you a resistance level for if you want to swing trade, a major resistance level if you want to swing trade for now, but for me, just be careful. Ganfan tool is amazing. As you can see, we just found important resistance levels here, and of course we should a little bit wait. From the moment if we surpass guys this resistance level, then we can approximately go to the next one, right? But for now we have to be careful. And of course guys, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay tuned for many more videos. Bye.